Hi, I want to do a quick video here on your basic FEGLI. That's FEGLI, your Federal Employee Group Life Insurance. I had a scenario come up recently with a federal employee who had some questions about his basic insurance. So we're going to try to answer those right now. Your basic insurance, as far as, first of all, the premium for it. So the premium stays the same, okay? It doesn't increase like the other options do. The premium stays flat. It's a constant rate that never changes. Now, the coverage for the most part stays the same too. The only way that it increases is with your salary. So the way that the coverage works is you take your salary, round it up to the next thousand plus $2,000, and then you've got your coverage for basic FIGLI. So if we look at an example like $97,300 is your salary, round up to 98, add 2, and you've got $100,000 of coverage under FIGLI. Now, one thing that's a little different about your basic is that if you keep that until retirement and continue to pay for it until age 65, you have to pay for it until age 65 or retirement, whichever is later. So if you don't retire until the age of 68, then you have to pay for it until age 68. But if you retire at the age of 60, you continue to pay for it until age 65. And then at age 65, your coverage starts to get reduced by 2% a month until it reaches 25%. So in the example we're looking at, the $100,000 of coverage is going to get reduced down to $25,000. Now the one important thing that happens at the age of 65 is you quit paying premiums. So after age 65, no more premiums to be paid. So basic is pretty unique compared to the rest of the options with your FIGLI. So if you're looking at changing your FIGLI and looking at getting a term policy or something like that to replace it, you may want to keep your basic. The threshold that I have found or come up with where it's normally worth it to keep it is somewhere between the ages of 55 and 60. So you just have to determine if it's right for you to keep it or not. But I would say if you're over the age of 60 and thinking about getting rid of your FIGLI, if you have any need at all, any beneficiaries that could use life insurance for burial policy, funeral, final expenses, stuff like that, I'd recommend keeping your basic because you only have to pay for it till 65, and then you're going to get a permanent death benefit for the rest of your life.